Good morning. Well, my morning got cleared. I was supposed to go and get my nails done and get a pedicure this morning, but my girl wrote me and said she's running a fever. So I rescheduled it, and now I'm just kind of like, I have things I have to do. But I am going to go ahead and make some breakfast because I have time to make breakfast. I don't have to worry about hustling around and rushing out the door and grabbing something quick. So I'm gonna put together that egg bowl with the potatoes, and then I scramble up an egg, and then I take a little bit of the country gravy and I put that over the top of it. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh, if you haven't tried this, you gotta give it a try. It's so good. I have a video on it and I will link it below. But Jason is also working from home today, and he has an assistant, and his assistant is doing a really fabulous job at helping him get his work done and stay on his course for the day. All right, I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. We have grocery pickup order coming tonight. So what I like to do is I like to get my refrigerator, anything cleaned out of that. I wanna check those drawers. I know the drawers in the refrigerator are really dirty and I wanna get them cleaned. Also, I need to refill my brown sugar container, and then I'm just gonna look around and see what else needs emptied out and cleaned up and stuff before the groceries come. I'm gonna quickly wash out this brown sugar container before I add new sugar into it. This is my top drawer in my refrigerator. It's just full of stuff, as you can clearly see. I have 2 bags of the same kind of cheese, so I'm gonna quickly combine those or see what else I can combine or get rid of, or, you know. So I got the first drawer is empty. I'm gonna use the Dawn Power Wash spray. Get that all sprayed in here. I'm gonna get this washed out and dried. I just love when the refrigerator is clean and shiny again. I'm looking forward to being able to clean out these drawers and get rid of all the stuff that got put on the bottom of them and we just either went bad or we're just not using. My fridge may beep at ya and me, because when the door's open for too long, it just starts beeping. But I got the clean drawer is all in here. I'm gonna put the rest of this stuff back in. I do have 2 bags of fat-free cheddar cheese, but this one's not open yet, so I'm just gonna set those in here. And then this is the bag of cheese that we combined. This cheese is still good until November. I gotta remember to get that used up. And then I have some mozzarella in here too. That looks much better, doesn't it? On to the second drawer. So this has some cilantro in the bottom of it, and then it just needs a good washing. There, that looks much better. It's all nice and clean. There's nothing in there right now, but I am positive that tonight after we get the groceries, there definitely will be stuff in here. I like to keep our chocolate chips in this little bin. I have a bag of them, and I'm gonna empty these into this bin and get rid of this bag. Most weekends, we like to have morning breakfast, or if we get up a little later, we do a brunch. But I thoroughly enjoy pancakes for the weekend, for Saturday and Sunday morning. So I'm gonna give myself a little head start on that, and I'm gonna quickly make up my pancake batter. So I take a cup of my pancake mix. I keep my pancake mix in this container. I will have these containers linked below. I really like them. They have a pour spout. It has a little measuring cup for a cover. They're just very nice, and they don't take up much space in my pantry. Now I'm adding 3/4 cup of water right into that pancake batter. I'm gonna mix it up really good, and I have the base of my pancakes to be able to make some super delicious either blueberry, banana, or I could use those Lily's chocolate chips that I just purchased the other day at Walmart. Yeah, I wanna sample those. Ooh, I think those will make really good pancakes. They'd make good waffles too. I was looking in the refrigerator in the garage to see how these drawers are. They all need washed out. So I'm gonna take the tea out of this one, and oh, we have some water bottles down here. Little stray water bottles up here. And I think we need water bottles. I'm gonna put this on our Sam's Club list. But I'm gonna get these drawers in the house and get them washed out. Once the drawers came out, I mean, ew! Look at all this stuff that was under drawers. Isn't that disgusting? And look, ew. It always amazes me at how dirty refrigerators can get. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wipe these shelves down, and then I will go in and get those drawers all washed up. Well, it didn't take me long at all to wipe down the shelves in the refrigerator. If there's like crusty stuff on there from like meats, you know, spilling over, or milk spilling in a refrigerator, I like to take the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. That takes all of that right off, but I didn't even need to do that. It was really super simple. I used the dish rag, wiped it off, and it came right off. So that's done. Now I'm gonna start working on these. They're not too bad. They just need my attention. I have to tell ya, this is not one of my favorite jobs to do. I usually let my refrigerators get pretty bad before I pull the drawers out and wash them and all that. I know if I kept up with it, it would be a lot easier, but this is one of my last things that I always think about. Once I do it, I love it, and it doesn't take me that long to do it. And I'm like, why don't I just keep up with it? That's how I am with my refrigerators. They don't get super disgusting, but I mean, you know, I'm just not on top of it. Oh my goodness, you might have to put your sunglasses on. It's super shiny in this refrigerator. I'm getting these teas put back into this drawer. And the water bottles are gonna go in this great big, ooh, drawer. Goodness gracious, I'm just throwing them in there, aren't I? But this drawer, I love it for these water bottles because it fits quite a bit of them in here. But yes, it's a nice clean refrigerator that makes me so happy. And we decided that we have enough water bottles to last us for another week, so we're not going to pick any more up at Sam's Club. But it is so convenient having them right here, and when we're heading out and getting in the car, if we want to have a drink of water with us while we're on the road or going somewhere, then we just get them right out of this refrigerator. It's just spoiled us through the years. And this is lunch today. Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
I got the 12 grilled nuggets. These are so good, and they smell good. Look at all the sauces they gave us. How nice, Chick-fil-A. And then I also got a kale crunch salad on the side. These are really, really good. I might add that to that. I am getting towels in the washer really quickly. I wanna get those rags washed up. The ones that we used yesterday for cleaning, I wanna get those all washed up and put away. I just switched my towels from my washer to my dryer really quickly and got them drying. I am currently editing yesterday's video, so I'm getting all of that done, and I am sipping on coffee while I'm doing it. Pretty soon we are going to be going to the mailbox, taking Cooper with us, of course. But it is an absolutely gorgeous fall day out. There's a slight breeze, the sun is warm, it's 80 degrees right now, and it's supposed to get to 82. We just blew home from the mailbox. I was like, whoa, are my curls still intact? Yesterday when we went to the mailbox, we had no mail, and I was like, well, that was really strange, because usually we at least have one thing, you know? Not very often do we have no mail. Oh, coupon's out, hang on. As soon as we got home, I seen the mail truck go right down the road, and I'm like, darn it, we missed it. Today we ended up having quite a bit of mail because, you know, we didn't get it yesterday. But I got that other shirt I was telling you about from Amazon. This is just a black and white striped shirt. I think this is gonna go on under quite a few of my t-shirts this winter. I'm pretty excited about it. But this is really super cute, and it's kind of like stretchy material, but it's so cute. And I think with a t-shirt on over it and then just the sleeves sticking out, I think that is gonna be adorable, don't you? I'm pretty excited about these. I'll have them linked below in case you're looking for something similar. For one of the sides, Jason's requested some frozen peas. Oh, I seriously did not think that I had it, but I do. Tonight for dinner, we are keeping it really simple, and we're gonna have manwich or sloppy joes. I love to have this on hand. It just makes a really good, easy meal. And then I already showed you on one of the sides is going to be peas. Another side, I'm thinking, I got some instant potatoes, but I got different kinds. I have, Jason, you ready? Sour cream and chives.
Yum.
Loaded baked.
Yum.
roasted garlic,
Yum.
and buttery home style.
Yum. Okay. Sour cream and chives.
Sour cream and chives? Okay. So we're gonna have the sour cream and chives. We're kind of having all a green meal, aren't we? Because this has got green chives in it, and then we have peas too. Justin doesn't like manwich, so we're just gonna make him up chicken, and then we'll just season it with like some Asian seasonings, ginger and soy and stuff like that. His will be over rice. And then we're also going to make up some potatoes in the air fryer. Whoever wants those on the side if they don't want these. Change of plans. Well, we just realized we still had some Parmesan garlic wing sauce, so Justin's gonna have this on his chicken. And Jason, you have the door open to the fridge, Jason, Robert.
Yes, yes I do.
But this is what he's gonna have instead of Asian chicken. The dryer is done. So now I'm gonna be folding towels. Jason is doing up the dishes. We're clearing up the dinner mess. And Justin and Timothy ran to grab groceries really quickly. So we're gonna do this and wait for those groceries to arrive. Okay, I think we got it all stacked up. So we got some I Can't Believe It's Not Butter sticks, an onion, some bananas. I got these extra thin yellow corn tortillas by Mission, baby carrots, some celery hearts, a bag of potatoes. All right, so we have a lot of canned goods. We got some black beans and refried beans. And then we have 2 enchilada sauces, one's a medium and one's a mild. And then I stacked up a little bit on the Progresso soups. So I have 2 of the Italian style meatballs because I love that kind. And the other one I'm gonna try the beef pot roast. I also stacked up on tuna fish. I got 4 cans of that. Got some cheddar cheese soup, mushroom soup, well, a couple mushroom soups, some chicken broth, and then Kung Pao stir fry sauce by Panda Express. I got some mini Farfalle little bow tie pastas, Zatarain's long grain and wild rice. I was looking for the Uncle Ben's, but they didn't have Uncle Ben's, so Zatarain's will be good too. Got some taco seasoning, family size of Gardettos, and then Justin loves these sea salt and vinegar poppables. Mild cheddar cheese, and then a fat-free cheddar cheese, and also we were completely out of sliced cheese. A bag of tater tots. We got some crust scope. This is Tim's favorite. And then we needed the dishwasher detergent. For both the bathrooms, we use the Milk and Honey hand soap refills, and then for the kitchen, we use the antibacterial one. I got 2 boxes of sandwich bags and 2 boxes of snack bags, a couple of scrubbing bubbles, Cooper's bag-in strips, and we're completely out of the stain and odor remover out pet care. Whoop, there's Cooper at the door right there. Now we need to get this stuff put away. Oh, hey. I was just putting these in the pantry. I'm gonna put the cheese in this drawer. I didn't realize, but we already have a box of the butter sticks, but that's okay, we'll use them. So I think I'm gonna put this one out in the garage in the refrigerator out there. And the cheese I just set right here. This one is the one that all my guys use, and then I like the Velveeta. And then back in this drawer, I'm gonna put the carrots and the celery. Okay, I got my little bucket. This is where my dish detergent goes into. Oh, it doesn't look like much, does it?
No.
So I just sat this box right here with all the pasta. The salt is here because I cannot find a place to put it. Now that I say that, look, I see it. It fits there good. In my sides bin, I have the long grain and wild rice. I'm just gonna stick this here. And yes, my Lily's chips are back here for now because I gotta find a place for those. Down here, I put the chicken broth and then the Kung Pao sauce. My Progresso soups are kind of stacked up right here. And then the Lazy Susan, these are kind of sticking out a little bit. Whoops, that one didn't, but this one is. And then up here, I just kind of stacked everything, the beans and the enchilada sauce, all that. Stack everything double on this thing. It holds a lot. I will have this linked below in case you're looking for one. The sandwich bags are out here in the garage along with the snack bags. In the refrigerator, we have the extra box of stick butter. And then as far as the half and half, they didn't have fat-free half and half, so we're gonna go into a store this weekend sometime. We're gonna look for it because a lot of times they just don't put that stuff online. Also with this order, I did not have any substitutions, nothing like that, which was amazing. So I got everything that I had ordered. That is always a good thing. This is Timothy's Chick-fil-A from earlier today. And the corn tortillas, I decided to put them out here in the refrigerator. I don't know exactly when I'm using them next week, so I want to keep them fresh. In the door of the freezer in the garage is the tater tots. And you will be seeing the rest of our grocery shopping tomorrow because there are still a few things we got to get, plus we got to go to Sam's Club. So thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow.